Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good days to all the viewers. I hope you all in your health, taking care of your health and taking care of your appearance. And for your information, we just changed our camera, and I hope this camera from now on is better than before. And because the old camera is already broken, so we must change it. So I hope the quality of the video is okay. So thank you for following up with this flawless marathon. Okay, right now we are in episode 2, which we will be discussing and explaining about the facts Wudu make our face shine. And for those who didn't know what is Wudu, Wudu is basically an act from a Muslim where before entering a prayer or a salat, Muslim will wash their hands, their faces, their arms, their head, and lastly they will wash their feet. So the act of washing those parts is called Wudu. Okay, now the question is the fact of Wudu can make our face more shine, brighter, healthier or even flawless is true? The answer is definitely yes, it is true. But first, let us read the understanding of Wudu by one of the Muslims. So, this is Abu Niza writing from Quora.com. He said that the Wudu is for preparation for prayer, not for cleaning or looking better. The proof for this is that if you do not have water for wudu, you simply use what is available of dirt or dust in a different form. So wudu is for purification to be ready for prayer. As for the brightness of the face, this is on the day of the judgment. Okay, so according to Abu Niza, he said that wudu will definitely shine and brighten our face in the day of hereafter. But what about now? So when I was 16, I started to believe that wudu can make our face shine brighter or even flawless, because I have read something that say wudu peri wajah. In English, it meant to be wudu shines our face. And 2 years after that, in 2015, I was attending a dinner, and in that moment, I never used any makeup at the age of 18. But some people at that moment came to me and said that, "Hey Rafiq, do you use any makeup? Because your face look beautiful and flawless." So in that moment I never used any makeup because I didn't know how to buy online, and in that moment I am not a man that have more money, and I will never use my money to spend on some cosmetic product for my face. So I just replied to them, just go for wudu. Okay, so this topic is getting warmer than I thought. So let us dive in more deeper in this topic. So if you read an article written by jhene from Buster.com webpage, she said that our sebaceous glands, which produce the sebum we commonly refer to as oil, are situated right below the skin's surface surrounding each hair follicle. It will help us act as the first line of defense, create vibrant glow, slower aging, and prolong or increase the period of hydration. So, Jhene have explained to us regarding the benefit and the characteristic of oily layer beneath our skin. Furthermore, according to dermatological expert Dr. Jhene, she explained that sebum contains vitamin E, which is an antioxidant, a key element in protecting humans from the ravage of oxidative stress and free radicals. And so it is important to remain the oil or the sebum on your face. And by the way, the oily layer of our skin can protect us from UV light synthesized by the sun, hence avoiding us from skin damages. And besides that, if we really take good care of our skin and sebum, you will find that your face will look much younger and have a vibrant glow. Last but not least, oily skin prolongs hydration. When according to the article written by Alan Potter for the Journal of the Royal Society of Medicine, under the topic of secretion of sebaceous glands and apocrine glands, he said that essentially your sebum causes you to lose less moisture through evaporation, keeping you hydrated. And so, when the next time you grossed out of your sleek skin at the gym, just give your sebum a little smile and some gratitude. So for that, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching this video. video in the same episode 2, which is Wuhdu makes our face shine. But we will discuss about some arguments or condemn that will be arise after this video. And if you feel that this video is beneficial for every viewers, just hit the like button below. And if you have any comment on this video, just comment up. I will follow up with your comment and try to refix myself. So please do share to other people as well, so that more people became flawless in using this alternative. I also provided some links to contact me in the description below. And upon that, my name is Nurafiq bin norazaN. Just now I in my village in Jempol, Negeri Sembilan, but right now in my home in Kuala Lumpur, Negeri Sembilan, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.